An ideal customer profile, or ICP, describes the characteristics your best customers share, and it's an important starting place for your account-based marketing, or ABM, campaigns. So once you've established your ICP, what do you do with it? Consider fictional tech company Sarsaparilla, a maker of supply chain management software in the beverage industry. Sarsaparilla just finished analyzing the best customers in their database to find the firmographic, environmental, and behavioral data patterns that make up their ideal customer profile. Now armed with their ICP, they can find similar accounts in the real world to target with ABM. The first step in this process is looking at the total available market, also known as TAM. That's all of Sarsaparilla's possible customers in the world, and a fairly overwhelming amount of accounts, much too large to realistically work with. So Sarsaparilla spends time identifying accounts within their total available market that best match their ICP. To do this, they look at the characteristics of these companies. Some match key firmographic data, while others match important environmental data. The accounts that most closely match the ICP pull ahead of the others. At this point, Sarsaparilla's marketing team also consults the sales team for input. Sales provides strategic insights into how customers behave and what selling tactics have earned them the most conversions. These insights shared between marketing and sales help to not only align the teams on the ABM process, but also refine their list of possible accounts further to create a target account list, or TAL. Target account analysis is critical to building the most meaningful and effective campaigns for your company. By helping you focus on key accounts with the highest propensity to convert, a TAL sets the stage for success. Next up, prioritize these accounts to better allocate marketing and sales dollars.